8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gentlemen, gentleladies, everybody pass nicely. Just take your time. In the corner of the line, the ball, sing high, sing low. Look at that crazy relic going. And go, Summer, keep it rolling. They got John John over the bell. Look at Summer Barger and the Corey Grant of the TNT. Zachary McEwen on the quickness. Zach Denning for the Tango. Everybody keep them going. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Zach, attaboy, Zach. Oh, keep an eye on that driver's door. Let's go. Watch that driver's door. I just thought of that myself. Keep an eye. And a girl, Summer, keep an eye. Watch those driver's doors. We're not having to hit them. That's it. Okay, everybody still right. Everybody still right. Okay, that's the way to drive. Keep an eye on the door. Very important. Very important. These guys are real focused. We're not a solo. We'll make sure they're all right.
Everyone just picking on the old Saturn.
Holy crap, he was going in there like a bat out of hell. Who?
Saturn?
Yeah.
Oh, look at DJ Fortune's and Dragon. Attaboy, attaboy. We got Delville, Ammersfield, TMC, Stratton, Stanville over there. Hearts on Noah. Okay, we'll take the count to 1, 2, 3. Down 3, down 4. Okay, still got 4 cars running. Thank you. We'll just got 4 cars going. I think Relic's going to sit in the line. Darn you, Relic. You're doing so good over there. That car is so cool.
Buddy and PT's pissed.
First, second, third, and fourth. Hold her down.